Alright, for a cheesecake mixture, first we'll start with our graham cracker crust, which is graham crackers and melted butter. Combine these two. Alright, this looks well mixed. So, we'll press this down to the bottom of the pot. We're just going to press this down to the bottom of the pan. Spread this out evenly. Good. So we're going to bake this at 350 for about 10 minutes. Put 2 pounds of cream cheese into the mixer. This is room temp cream cheese. And we're going to cream that before we put our other ingredients inside. So let this beat for about 4 minutes before we put any sugar or anything like that. So once this is finished creaming, what we do, we add salt, have the vanilla buttercream, and then the sour cream. This is our vanilla buttercream extract. Salt, 2 teaspoons of our buttercream, vanilla buttercream extract, in goes our sour cream. Add this in, so when it mixes, it's just going to slightly incorporate. Add the eggs in one at a time, and we will just allow it to beat for about 30 seconds. Now that's all incorporated, we're going to pour in our heavy cream, turn it down a little bit lower, and let all of that incorporated. And let that mix until incorporated. Our mixture is finished, so we pour this in here. set the time. On 20 and you're good. So look at this beautiful color, nice and golden. We're going to take this out of here, take it out of the water bath, throw the water away, and just let this cool.